I got the WL Toys Cessna 182. It's a 3-channel, 2.4 gigahertz RC plane. It's ready to fly, has everything you need in the box, and apparently is supposed to be a pretty decent trainer plane, which is why I have it, and I'm showing it to you today. Let's not waste any more time. Let's open it up and check this thing out. Okay, here is how it looks inside the box. Looks like it's packaged pretty nicely, especially for a plane at this price point. So as you can see, we've got the radio right there. Got some accessories up there that we'll take a look at here shortly. We've got the plane fuselage, and we've got the main wing there below. Got the landing gear, looks like a screwdriver and a spare prop up there. Let's take a closer look at that stuff. Alright, so what we've got here is the main wing, which is pretty self-explanatory. Front right there, we've got the fuselage. Got this pack of stuff right here. Got the battery and the charger. And the other little packet we have here is the screwdriver, because we've got to do a little bit of a build with this. We've got the prop, and we've got some landing gear here. It's tricycle landing gear there, a lot like a Cessna. Alright guys, the next thing that we're going to look at is the radio. This thing is pretty darn cool, especially for a ready to fly at this price point. Now, watch the rudder. I'm moving oh, that's the aileron. This will show that. This actually is not a plane that comes with ailerons. It's actually a 3-channel plane, so don't let that fool you. I'm going to do the rudder now. There we go. I moved the thumbstick. Actually, I'll back off a little bit. There that is. Okay. Elevator. I'm moving for the throttle a little bit. Moving that up. Moving it down. Pretty damn cool if you ask me. Here's a look at the fuselage of this plane. To me, the most interesting part is there are 3 motors driving this single prop. I'm not sure exactly how that's going to work in application, but this thing is, for what it is, it seems pretty cool. I just hope it flies as well as I hope it does. It's got a very similar body style to the Hobby Zone Champ, and we all know, at least most of us in the RC hobby, are familiar with the Hobby Zone Champ and know how great it can fly. As I'm sure you guys figured out by now, this is going to require a little bit of assembly, and I'm going to do that off camera. It looks pretty straightforward. All you have to do is put the main wing on there and a screw, and that should be it. So I'm going to do that and report back shortly. Alright guys, here is what it looks like all put together. I'm actually pretty excited about this. Got the battery charging off camera, so I am looking forward to getting this thing up in the air. The wind is relatively calm today compared to what it's been for the last few months, so I'm really hoping to take it up. It's still not perfectly calm, but this should give us a good real-world test when I put it up in the air. And here's another quick look at the plane. The landing gear is not perfectly straight. I need to be honest about that. But it's got small wires, so you should be able to adjust for that at least a little bit. And this thing is so light, it really should just take off right away. And I'm sure a lot of you are going to hand launch anyway, so there's that. There's the battery bay down here. I'm probably going to use a little Velcro or something to secure it, to secure the battery inside there. Alright, so that took about 30 or so minutes to charge the battery. Now we've got it bound to our plane. 2 things that are very important to note. One, the aileron stick actually controls the rudder. So be aware that that's actually the same as the Hobby Zone Champ, so that's okay. And the second thing,